it's Nicole and welcome back to my channel. Wait, you know this isn't go yet. Okay, well now they know. Come
Happy
here.
fall!
Happy fall! She copied my outfit.
Lies.
Come here.
Laeno gang.
Welcome to the ultimate fall vlog. Me and my mom are gonna go shopping for fall decorations at Target, show you guys a haul, and then transform my room. And then I also want to like bake cookies and then watch Gilmore Girls later. All right, time to go to Target and shop for fall decor. So let's chat a little. First day of fall this year was like September 22nd or something like that, so still very new into the autumn season. But the weather has still literally been so hot. Like last week it was like 90s. It's getting a little cooler, like this week it's 80s, but it's still like very hot.
So we're like in a flannel and sandals.
And we're sweating.
Flannel and shorts.
Yeah, flannel shorts and sandals. That's the fit right now. I'm hoping it'll get cooler soon, but like honestly it never really does until like November, December. But I am so excited. Fall is definitely a really fun season. Hoco's right around the corner. Halloween. What is your favorite thing about fall, Mom?
Booties. The boots.
I would say like, I don't even know.
You like pumpkin spice lattes.
Oh my god, yes, that's what I was gonna talk. Dude, she literally reads my mind. No, that's literally what I was gonna talk about.
I know.
But I forgot. Okay. If you're not aware, Starbucks has this seasonal drink, pumpkin spice latte. It's amazing. You should try it. Probably gonna get them when we're at Target.
Do you call it like a PSL?
I do. I used to get iced all the time, but now I get hot because it's, I don't know, I really like the hot one.
What's like a pumpkin treat?
I usually just get a croissant.
A pumpkin croissant?
No, just a normal croissant. But we can see if they have like fall treats at Starbucks. Okay, good chat.
Troublemakers are here. Why am I always in charge of getting
First stop, Starbucks coffee. They have these two treats, a pumpkin scone. I just said scone. Pumpkin scone and pumpkin cream cheese muffin. I'm gonna try this one. You're joking me. Sorry, we're all out of pumpkin cream cheese muffins.
What does that say?
Right there, Mom. So do I just get the scone now?
I might get the scone. Okay, well, I'm getting the pumpkin bread.
Okay. Hi, can I have a grande pumpkin spice latte? Hot. And then one iced. And then the pumpkin scone and the pepita bread. Thank you. Hopefully this is a good frame. This is the same place I did last year. So we're gonna try our treats and drinks.
Cheers.
I like mine. Here's my scone.
I bet you mine's gonna be better than yours.
Girl, why is it a pumpkin?
It's not, I'm just saying. I just feel like it.
Wait.
Oh.
Cheers. Mine's okay. Actually, this isn't bad. Now time to shop. Walking into the home decor section. I actually have some fall decorations from last year. Here are some fall pillows that are literally from Target. I just want to make sure that I don't buy duplicates. So there's this one with two pumpkins. This like leaf beige one. Oh, this is nice. It's fluffy. I'll probably use this. Oh my gosh, look. Yeah, okay, I could definitely incorporate that. And then this one says grateful. That's more like Thanksgiving, right?
You probably don't even need more pillows.
Let's just see what Target has. But good to know that I have some stuff to work with already. Yeah, this would be cute for our door. Low-key the pumpkin one. Oh. I like the pumpkin one. It's more festive.
I know, but then can I still use it up to Thanksgiving?
Oh, you're right. Use the fall one. Yes, first purchase.
Shall we start sniffing?
Yeah. Definitely want to... Definitely want to get a candle, probably some more pillows, maybe a blanket if I find one.
Everything is like soaked in cinnamon.
Oh my god, I smell it from here. Pumpkin spice cupcakes. Oh. Pumpkin cheesecake cookies.
Smell the air first. Okay, maybe.
Whoa. This one's not bad actually.
Pumpkin spice trail mix. I don't smell anything.
I don't like it. I low-key like the cheesecake cookies. I like it. Yeah, this is the scent I want for my room. Put it in the cart. This is cute.
5 for 15?
$5. $5 to 15.
Oh. I was like,
steal! Where could I put this though? On my dresser maybe?
under your like TV.
Okay, yeah, that's what I meant. Who? Like what? I think it's pillow time, Mom. They have to like really match, you know? They have to be aesthetically pleasing.
Why do you always pick the grandma pillows?
Mother! This is not a grandma pillow.
100% there's a grandma. Look at this.
Okay, well there's
That's the same thing.
But there's
literally
three
the same
pumpkins.
pillow.
I don't know,
Whatever
man.
makes you happy, I guess. What are you thinking about?
The ones that I have at home.
Well, that one's bold.
Yeah, okay, that's good. I think this will be like my center pillow.
Okay.
In the cart it goes.
No more pillows.
Pillows.
I said it right.
You said pillow. No, you know, growing up, I've always said pillow because of you.
How do you say it?
Pillow, pill. It's an I.
What do I say?
Pillow, you say it with an E.
Pillow.
It's pillow. Say pillow.
Why? That's not how you say it.
Pillow. That's not how it's spelled.
Did I say it right? Pillow.
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 Pill.
Pillow.
Oh my mother!
Hey, look. Someone called you Coco Melon before.
Coco Melon. Bum, 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 bum. How do you look like Coco Melon? I think the similarities are there. Mugs. Wait, these are actually very cute.
Hey there, pumpkin.
Hey there, pumpkin. Stay cozy. Look, it's a little turkey.
That's ugly.
Oh. Okay. Oh, this one's funny. Which, please?
Which, please?
This one's cuter. This one's funny.
Well, what kind of vibe is your room? When I go in there, I don't laugh, though.
Yeah.
Like, I feel like you're a little pumpkin. So it's like, hey there, pumpkin.
Sold.
Hey there, pumpkin.
Okay.
Wait, should I get one?
Yeah, get the which one. There's this section over here. There's some more pillows and stuff. Apple picking, cozy evenings, pumpkin pie, falling leaves, spice cider, warm fires, happy harvest. How do you feel about this?
Apple picking, cozy evenings, pumpkin pie, falling leaves. That's a lot to read.
Oh, I wanted a blanket. Look, this is soft.
That's cute.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
It's like, it's not too much. And that's very fall.
I feel like it matches your grandma pillow, too.
Amazing. I might be done. I say we get it for Dad. Halloween matching family sleepover. Should we get it for the whole family?
So ugly. I would literally buy if it was $10, but
Oh, wait,
this
how
is
much?
like 20.
Oh yeah, and we would have to buy 4.
That's like $100 worth.
Oh, maybe not. That was a good laugh though. Time to check out now.
Are you done?
Bro.
Grab your receipt. Thanks. See you again soon.
Yes, sir. Okay, I'm back home now, but I'm gonna do a quick Target haul so I can show you guys everything I got. This pillow, this fluffy blanket, a little decorative pumpkin cheesecake cookies candle. Smells really good. And then last fall thing, this mug that says, hey there, pumpkin. All right, I didn't film this, but I also got these pajama shorts and this little bralette. And then Frankenberry cereal. I don't know, it looked yummy. But yeah, that's everything I got from Target. Now time to decorate. So I'm gonna grab all of these decorations and then my old ones upstairs and transform my room.
1, 2, 3, go. To be a star, ooh, I can really dream about that. If you and far between, you know what I mean? But I can see them shining, yeah. I can see them shining on me. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Come on, yeah. Oh, yeah. Here we are, yeah, in the Afro future. I'm screwed, don't speed. I'm getting comfy in the passenger seat. Maybe you can drive back so I can get me a drink. Now let me see. I ain't got no money, but I still got a dream, and I can feel it coming. So it's cool with me, it's cool with me, yeah. To be a star, ooh, I can really dream about that. If you and far between, you know what I mean? But I can see them shining, yeah.
Special guest appearance. Alright, you guys, room is decorated. I also took a shower, but now I'm going to make some pumpkin cookies. So my mom bought these the other day and they've just been sitting in the fridge, but I think they're perfect for this video. Pumpkin cookie dough with cream cheese flavored chunks. I've never had them before, but they sound promising. But I also put this on my Instagram story, so I'm gonna answer questions while I prepare the cookies. I always do these like Q&As when I'm making stuff because, I don't know, I think it's fun to like keep you guys updated on what's going on with my life. Preheat the oven to 350. Okay, now I need a cookie sheet. Let's begin these questions. What are you most looking forward to this fall? So obviously earlier my mom mentioned pumpkin spice lattes, but I've already been getting those for the past like week. But I'm also just excited for like hoodie weather. I know California doesn't even get hot until like at least November. I mean cold. Yeah, I meant cold, not hot. But like I am so excited for when I can just pull up to school in like leggings and a hoodie and like Ugg boots. I cannot wait. That sounds so nice. Oh my goodness. Also, the pumpkin patch near my house just opened back up. So I really want to go with my friends. I think that'd be super cute. And like you could take pictures with pumpkins, you know. How is junior year going? Honestly, pretty good. Like compared to the beginning of my sophomore year, definitely a lot better. I don't know. Sophomore year, I was kind of at a loss with the people in my life. Everything was just kind of messy. And like I'm not saying junior year is going perfectly so far, but I've been very happy lately, which is great. These are the cookies. But like academically, it hasn't been that bad. I have like 2 tests this week for math and apes. But yeah, pretty good so far. I'm just very excited for homecoming because our spirit week is literally next week already, and then the homecoming dance is next Saturday. So very fun stuff. What would you describe your style as? Honestly, I don't even know. I always like to say cute and comfy because like I love crew necks or like baby tees, you know, just like simple but comfy, I guess. But like aesthetic wise, I feel like kind of dainty on the preppy side. Mainly at school, I just wear like dresses now because it's just hot. So I don't really know. How do you become friends with a guy you like? I'd say, I mean, like in general, the easiest way to become friends with people is like usually through mutuals. If you have friends that are friends with the guy you like, then maybe have them introduce you and then you can start talking. But just find stuff that you guys have in common so you can like bond over that. Or like if you have a class with them, that's pretty good because you could like work on homework or like study together. Just like find stuff to talk about with them, and yeah, good luck. Do you have a specific name for your car? Honestly, I never came up with a cool one, but I just abbreviate Tesla and call it Tess. So like whenever my friends go in the car, or I don't know, I refer to it, I just be like, yeah, come in the Tess, or like don't say that about the Tess. I don't know. If you guys have cool car names for the Tess, then let me know. Where do you get most of your clothes? Okay, here's where I shop. Princess Polly, Brandy Melville, Tilly's, PacSun, Hollister. I think that's about it. Lately, I've been wearing a lot of Princess Polly though. How do you stay close with your family members? Effort and communication. Life can get so busy and you could feel like you have a million things to do, but your family is your base. So make sure you prioritize them and make time for them. Like something my brother and I always like to do is right when we come home, we like go to each other's room and make sure we say hi. Just so that like we don't go the whole week without seeing each other, because he has classes at college, I have school, whatever I'm dealing with in life. So if we forget to do that, then I most likely won't see him for like a few days. So keeping that constant effort and communication helps in all relationships. Plans for the future. I actually got this question a lot after high school wise. Definitely want to go to college. Top college is UCLA. I really want to join their spirit squad, but we'll see what happens. But yeah, definitely want to go to a 4-year college. Probably stay in California. I just love it here. But I really want like the whole college experience. Like maybe join a sorority or dorming with a roommate or maybe moving into an apartment. I don't know. I feel like that whole stage of like new adulthood is like so exciting and I can't wait. But aside from that, I definitely plan on still vlogging and being on YouTube and hopefully on my other social medias. With dance, honestly, I haven't been dancing as much, but I think it'll always be in my life. Like I could never see myself not dancing. What's your favorite movie? Dude, the other day I rewatched The Notebook for like the 5th time, but it's so freaking good. If you guys do not know, it's a love story and I literally cry every single time I watch it. Like I said, 5th time watching it, still bawled my eyes out. But yeah, that's a classic. I really like Mean Girls or like any Disney movie, honestly. Last question I'm going to answer is, what is the color of your dress for homecoming? I don't want to spoil too much, but it's hot pink. But stay tuned for the Hoco vlog because that will be coming very soon. Thanks for coming to my Q&A. All the cookies are on the cookie sheet and oh my gosh, no, dude. I preheated the oven, right? But then I realized there was stuff in it, so I stopped it. But then I never did it again. Okay, well now I have to wait. I'll see you guys when it's done preheating. Oven is at 350. I'm gonna put the cookies in for like 15 minutes and then we'll see how they are. Oh my goodness. Okay, bye. Let's see these cookies. Oh, smells good. Oh gosh. They're all together. Oh. No! I punctured a cookie! This is why I don't bake, you guys. Yeah, it's fine. Bon appetit. Do a taste test. Not bad. Special delivery.
Whoa!
Pumpkin cookies.
Whoa.
Wow.
Okay, so they have like cream cheese chunks or something. Did you taste it yet?
Cream
Yeah,
cheese?
it's actually pretty good.
Good.
Yeah,
Tastes like
not
fall.
bad, huh?
Tastes like a pumpkin.
Tastes like fall.
I just said that. I literally just said that.
Wait a minute. Tastes like fall.
Alright you guys, my room is smelling like pumpkin cheesecake cookie. I have my actual cookies and some milk right here. But now I'm gonna end this video by watching Gilmore Girls in my very cozy fall themed room. But basically, I've never watched Gilmore Girls. And I think I posted that on my Snapchat story, but I've been getting like so many recommendations to start it because apparently it's a perfect series to watch during fall. So I'm gonna start it tonight and hopefully just like binge it until I finish it. I think it's a pretty long series though, so it might take me a while. But I'm also gonna invite my mom in here because I think she's watched all of it, if not most of it. And it's like one of her favorite shows because like the mom and daughter are close in that show as well. So I'm gonna invite her to watch it with me, and that's how I'm gonna end my night. Alright you guys, this is going to the end of this fall vlog. Thanks so much for coming along with me. If you stayed till the end of the video, comment down below this leaf emoji. Hope you have a good fall. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications, and go cop some Nicole self-care merch. I will see you guys back with another video. I love you guys so much. Stay positive. Bye! Mwah!